All right, we just finished our 5 sets of our 5 Anderson squats, full range of motion. Now we're going into our 5 sets of 10-second pauses. Here we go. Not too bad. I feel like I'm even more warmed up than ever, so maybe I'll move even better. But that last one still moved great. Here we go. Yeah, that felt too easy. We're going to finish with some half jump squats, staying in that dead space, what I like to call it, that deep range of motion. All right, here we go. This is going to be our top set, so I'm just going to go for like 20. Two more. I think that's 20.